How to prevent WhatsApp from auto-saving media to phone gallery. Are you frustrated with storage problems in your phone? There could be many reasons behind it, including junk files, irrelevant apps, or a fully loaded phone gallery with thousands of images, videos, and other unwanted media files. WhatsApp has long allowed the automatic saving of all media files, such as images, videos, and documents, directly to the phone gallery. That sometimes results in inconvenience and leads to storage problems on your phone. When you download any media from your WhatsApp, it's by default saved in an assigned folder within your phone gallery called Media Visibility. However, there are ways to prevent WhatsApp media from auto-downloading on your phone that could help you keep your gallery organized. Here's how to manage WhatsApp media. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap on the three dots in the right corner to access more options. Go to WhatsApp settings, then go to Chats. Select the media visibility option and disable it. Similarly, WhatsApp also allows stopping media from a specific individual or a group chat from automatically saving to the gallery. Open a chat or a WhatsApp group, then tap on More Options, then go to View Contact for individual chat or Group Info for a group chat. Now tap on the media visibility option, select No, and then OK. This will stop WhatsApp media from automatically getting saved to your phone gallery.